Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. I go by cutcreaser on Instagram and other social media platforms. You might know me as the Euphoria girl. I did like 19 looks based on Euphoria, but nobody's counting. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing another Euphoria makeup tutorial. I know it's been a while. I know I've just been transitioning to a new job, so I haven't had enough time to film. So I didn't get to film this look when I did it. So here it is. This is Jules's look from the finale. I didn't buy the stickers because I couldn't afford them, so I decided to reuse some gems and do the exact shape kind of in the inner corners just to accent the look. I am stoked. I love this look. I hope that you guys will enjoy it as much as I do. But yeah, let's get right to it. Thank you guys so much for clicking and let's go. Without further ado, I'm going to be priming my eyelids, and I'm going to prime with the Wet n Wild concealer in light ivory, which is the lightest shade in the range. And I'm just gonna be patting this onto my eyelid. So as you can see in this video, my quality has changed exponentially. I got new lighting thanks to my good friend Kareem, which you might know as Face by Kareem. I really needed these lights, and I'm just trying to test out how this quality will be with this lighting. So yeah, I'm just trying to test it out and stuff. So bloop, bloop, bloop. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna be applying the Anastasia eye primer. Let's get into it. All right, so in today's video, I'm going to be working with the Norvina Volume 1 palette. I haven't used this on my channel yet, so I decided to use this now. Just do this look. So today I'm going to be doing this look right here. I just wasted like 5 minutes of me explaining what I'm going to be doing today, and I just realized maybe I should just do this tutorial just because why not? It's one of my favorite looks that I've done so far because I love the red tones in this eyeshadow look. So yeah, I might as well do it. Why the hell not? Incorporating some of the ColourPop eyeshadows from the She's Rainbow palette. I'm going to be using these 3 shades, just mixing in between these as well. Finally, the Jackie Aina palette. I'm going to be using Wigglies, I believe it's called. Yeah, I was going to say Shickington, but it's Wigglies. And I'm going to be mixing in this shade. So yeah, let's get into it. All right. I can do this. All right, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna take a small crease brush like this. I'm gonna take the shade D3 from the Norvina palette. I'm gonna insert a picture right here of what shade I'm gonna be using. And I'm just gonna start packing this into the crease. I know I want a round shape, so I'm gonna start to make that round shape with this eyeshadow and this brush. This shade from the She's a Rainbow palette from ColourPop in the shade Brick Road. It's a matte red and it looks like this. And I'm just gonna be dipping into this and blending out the edges of this eyeshadow. I'm just gonna start blending in circular motions with the same brush. I'm not doing anything special. Alright, so now that that is done, I'm going to take this shade. This is called Hard Place. It's a matte red-orange from the ColourPop palette as well. It looks like this. And I'm going to take that and start to diffuse this into this red, just to make it a little more of an orangey tone instead of the pink tone that's picking up right now. So next I'm gonna take a densely packed brush this time. Now that that color is laid out, I just want to start packing on this color, and I'm gonna take a smudger brush. This is from Jessup, and it's a very densely packed, small, tiny little brush. I'm gonna take the same red shade from the Norvina palette, and I'm gonna start packing it right in my crease. So I'm going to take a Luxe Petite Crease brush. I don't know why I couldn't say that. It's from Jessup. And I'm just taking the really pointy part and I'm doing circular motions around the edges. Just making sure that this is all blended and it's seamless, and I have some space for my brow bone. So, updates on life. The whole reason why I stopped doing some videos was consistently, I mean, was because I got a new job, and the transition from my old job to this one has been really difficult for me because I hate being the new girl. And yeah, so that's really the whole reason why I haven't filmed, because I've been in a funk and I feel kind of crappy about it. So I hope that I'm starting to get the hang of things at work. I feel like I can be a little bit more consistent, and I can understand my schedule a little bit better, so I can, you know, like actually do my thing. Like, it's so hard. I don't understand why, but it's really hard to like do transitions into new things. I hate it, and that's that. I also got a new phone. Yay. So now I'm going to take a small flat brush. I don't know what brand this is from, but I'm pretty sure it's a really old Morphe brush. And I'm gonna take the shade Wigglies from the Jackie Aina palette with this brush. And then after I finish doing that, I'm gonna take it on my finger and okay, and then now I'm going to add some more of that first red that I applied from the Norvina palette again, and I'm just gonna smooth out the edges and also tap over the shimmer a little bit, just so this can have like a seamless blend into the matte eyeshadows from the shimmer. Now, this is what we got. I'm gonna blend out the edges a little bit more just to create this circular part right here, because it's starting to wing out for some reason and I don't want that. I am going to start doing my base, and I started it a while ago, but I stopped myself because I forgot that I wanted to film today, so that's that. And I'm gonna take the Milk Makeup I almost said Hydro stick. This is the Milk Makeup Flex Foundation Stick in Golden Honey. That's the shade I'm in. They sent me 2 other shades, but this was the shade that matched me a little bit better. So yeah, I'm gonna add some more. I already applied in this area, but I want to add some more in my chin area, my cheeks, my forehead, and then my nose, and around my mouth. I'm gonna take the shade medium beige in the Flex concealer from Milk Makeup, and I'm just gonna put this around this part of the eye, but not underneath my eye. I'm just putting it there, and then I'm gonna try to find my other concealer. Alright, I'm gonna take the shade Medium Tawny, and I'm gonna put this underneath my eye. Concealer is a little bit darker and a little bit more warmer, and then the Wet n Wild one has a little bit more of an golden undertone, and it's a lot lighter, and the transition between the two just blends really nicely together, so that's why I like doing that. And I'm gonna blend all the way underneath my eye. My camera cut off because the the SD card got full. I hate this SD card. I'm finally getting a new one coming in the mail. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me powder in medium. I should be using medium deep, but I'm setting my concealer with the ColourPop F5 brush and the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Alright, so I'm just gonna look up and just start dusting this right underneath my eye. I'm gonna set right here as well, and then I'm gonna set right here. Start bronzing my face and contouring as well. I'm gonna use the Silky Matte bronzing powder in the shade Suntan / 03. This is basically my shade, but I'm gonna use it to contour a little bit. Just so it could blend out the bronzer a little bit better. And I love the way this powder smells. It smells so good. Anastasia powder bronzer in the shade Cappuccino. yeah. So I'll be right back because my dad just called me to go eat. So I'm gonna go eat and then I'll be back. I'm gonna take the same smudger brush I use and I'm just gonna start packing on this red. I'm gonna take a bigger brush. I think I'm gonna take this one. This is the Anastasia A5 and it's just a clean brush and I'm just blending this out. Just making sure this is diffused properly and not like splotchy, I guess. We're gonna zoom in for this. I'm just going to start dotting the inner portion of this look. So, where's my mirror? But basically around this part of the eye. You want to like do this while your eyes are open and not closed because you want to see if, you know, it disrupts the gems when you blink or anything. Alright, so I have a lot of these little miniature gems that I have left over from a bunch of my Euphoria looks, so I'm gonna keep using them because I like to reuse my gems. I don't like to waste them because that's just dumb if you throw them out after you do a look. It's like wickedly dumb. So the reason why I decided to do gems instead of actually getting the sticker that Donnie used on Hunter was because I don't have money to be buying stickers for my eyes for one look. So I decided to just reuse some of the gems that I've used previously. Also, I did this makeup in the car the first time I did it, so that's why I don't really remember the steps as well as, you know, one should. Yeah, this side just looks a little bit better. And then I am going to start applying some of the lip product that I used. So what I did was the blotted look. So it's kind of inspired by like Korean makeup. So I took D3 from the Norvina palette. I took it on my finger, and while I have some Listex on my lips, the color adhered a little bit better to my lip, so I put it in the center. But I'm being careful not to get it around like the top area. I already kind of messed up. I'm gonna take some lip gloss. This is Lime Crime's Wet Cherry lip gloss, and this is in Cherry Slime. I know it's a green lip gloss, but it doesn't matter. I just want some gloss with some glitter on it. So I'm just gonna apply just a tiny bit. Anastasia brush in the number A23. And I'm gonna take this loose pigment on my hand. These pigments are amazing as highlights. Like, I highly recommend. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to take my hand and just kiss my hand. Just to take away some of the redness from my lips because it was a little bit too stark, I believe. Ugh. Oh, the red tones in this video is just about insane. Look at my juice. My juice is red too. I put all my lashes in this case, so I'm just gonna get the lashes that I used for this look specifically. These are from Izzy Lashes. They're called the 3D lashes. I don't know what number it is, but I'm sure if you Google it, like an eBay link will come up. I personally get them from a beauty supply store in the city, so you guys probably won't be able to find them, but they're a really fluttery long lash. It's really lightweight. It's not thick at all. They're just really fluttery and long. I don't know where I can find a dupe of these, but they're super long and fluttery. That's really all I can say about it. And this is the final look with my lashes on and everything. Let me just try to make sure that these lashes are on because I don't want y'all clocking me in the comments. I don't want that at all. Oh my god, I just touched my eyeball. Ooh, that hurt. And yeah, that is it. Yay! Tutorial is done. Thank you guys so much for clicking and watching this tutorial. I know so that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for clicking and getting to the end of this video. I really appreciate it. And if you don't mind, you guys can follow me on my social platforms at cutcreaser on all of them, Twitter, Instagram, you already know. I don't have Snapchat, so don't go looking for me. I'm really happy to just get into some of these Halloween looks and some of these fall-esque looks. I hope you guys will enjoy the rest of my content after this Euphoria series is officially done. I will be continuing more Euphoria looks on my Instagram during the month of October because I'm going to be doing the looks from the Halloween episode for October. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy that and I hope you guys will stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I will be continuing doing regular makeup content that I personally love doing, which is editorial, beauty, and just overall glam looks. So hopefully you guys will be interested and stay tuned for that. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day, great night, great week, great month, whatever you guys are doing today. So yeah, that's really all I have to say for today. And yeah, if you want to see some more of me, you can click right here if you want to. If not, that's totally fine. Somebody clocked me the other day saying that I was stealing this from Jackie. I know people do this little click right here thingy. It's not new, so it's like, but anyways, click right here if you want to see some more. I'll see you guys there. Bye guys.